A great feature about our BIM tool is that you can manually review the Firestop clashes, giving you extra insight in the automatically generated Firestop positions. A nice way to do this is by switching between the floor plans and the 3D view using the selection box button. This way you can view parts of the project. At Orange Button we are always working on improving the clashing process. Based on our experience, our clashing process is already a lot more accurate than basic clashing. Also, we have a clash percentage property that reports the installation going through a structural element. During your check, you can still change visual settings the way you like, for instance, making the installation files more visible. As you review more locations, you will notice that the clashing is quite accurate. And that with just the push of a button. Every time during your clashing, you can use the JSON exporter to check the information quality of the clashes. All the missing information is marked with a red cell and should eventually be addressed for correct Firestop selection. The details are always described in the report property. When you select a rule from this schedule, it will automatically zoom and select a component in the model. A quick way to update information for multiple components is by using schedules. For instance, this construction schedule. When you change a value in a single cell, it will update multiple components, making it possible to finish a list with all required information. When you now open the JSON exporter app again, you will notice that there are now less red cells, meaning that it is now easier to select the correct Firestop solutions. The same goes for the installation and insulation information of the clash. In this example, the installation type for the Uponor installation are missing. As you can see, they can easily be added manually. An interesting topic of this project is that there is no insulation specified for any installation, which would mean that no installation is insulated. When we now go back to the JSON exporter, you will notice that there are no red cells anymore, meaning we are ready for quotation, or we could add extra information using our other one-click apps.